how to set allow AirPlay 4 on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, you'll have to do is go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. In System Settings on left side, go to General. Here in General, you can see the AirDrop and Handoff. Okay, go to this. And AirDrop and Handoff, you can see the allow AirPlay 4. And the allow AirPlay 4 is set into current user. And AirPlay receiver requires an Apple ID to verify only the current user can AirPlay to this device. So okay, to set the allow AirPlay 4, okay, you'll have to do is click this button on the right side and you can see the option. So you can set into anyone on the same network or you can set into everyone. So I decided to set the allow AirPlay 4 into everyone. And allowing everyone to AirPlay to this Mac. So allowing anyone nearby to AirPlay will make this Mac appear on any iPhone, iPad, or Mac that it's nearby. So you'll have to do is click the allow everyone or you can cancel it. So I decide to allow everyone. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set allow AirPlay 4 on MacBook Air.